For years, they all told me I was ridiculous of me to think I couldn't go back to the stage or the screen as a middle aged woman. They all told me I was an artist and not just a star whose career depended on youth. But in my heart, I knew that the legend of Alexandra Delago could not be separated from an appearance of youth. There's no more valuable knowledge than knowing the right time to go, and I knew it. So I went at the right time to go. I retired. Where to? To what? To that dead planet, the moon. There's nowhere else to retire to when you retire from an art. Because, believe it or not, I was once an artist. And so I retired to the moon. But the atmosphere of the moon doesn't have any oxygen in it. So I began to feel breathless in that withered, withering country of time after time, not meant to come after. So I discovered this and other practices like it to put to sleep the tiger that was raging in my nerves. Why a tiger unsatisfied in the nerve jungle? Why is anything unsatisfied and raging anywhere? Ask somebody's good doctor. But don't believe the answer, because there is no answer. But you see, I couldn't get old with that tiger still in me raging. Stars in retirement sometimes give acting lessons, or they take up painting, paint flowers on pots, or landscapes. I could have painted the landscapes of that endless, withering country in which I wandered like a lost nomad. If I could paint deserts and nomads, if I could paint